Well, we'll dive right into it. Want to gather your perspective and just ask you some general questions about, what's most energizing for you within nephrology space today, and also what's been the most frustrating component in nephrology?
I guess let's see here. What's the most frustrating? So I guess I've been a nephrologist for like 15 years now. So I started in 2010. Quite honestly, for the most part, there hasn't been much innovation in nephrology, in kidney care as a whole. I mean, quite honestly, we practice the same nephrology. Like when I left my practice in 2021, I was practicing almost the same nephrology I was practicing in 2010. Do you see what I'm saying? And that was from both the interventional side and clinical side. So I'm an interventional nephrologist. I did dialysis access work, fistulas, grafts, catheters, all that kind of stuff. We used to work on those. And quite honestly, there wasn't much innovation or things happening in the space at all. Now, I think what was kind of cool in 2019, Trump has the executive order on kidney health, the Advancing America Kidney Health Act, kind of jump started a lot of some of this stuff happening. Now, I think some of it started beforehand as well too. You started seeing innovation beforehand, but the value-based care models that kind of came in kind of had certain incentives and certain endpoints that were not being emphasized before. So I think that kind of energized the field in many respects, bringing in both new value-based medicine players, but also like the kind of attention of medical device, med tech, other things as well too. So overall, I'm generally very positive of where nephrology is going. You have seen a lot of advancements from the pharmaceutical side. It used to be this game of this what we call ACEs and ARBs, medications that are like losartan or lisinopril, and that's all we had in our arsenal. Now we have SGLT2s, which are like Farxiga and Jardiance. Now we have GLP-1s like Ozempic, Mounjaro, all this kind of stuff. So you have a lot more in your arsenal from a pharmaceutical component. But also you're starting to see a lot of innovation as far as dialysis machines too. There's more new dialysis machines coming on the market. I know Tableau came out a few years ago, but it did kind of change the game as far as user interface and user experience, which I think is huge, right? But also I think there are other innovations happening as far as just policies and processes and stuff like that, that are really encouraging as well.